In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive upload date. This simple workflow refreshes the upload timestamp by downloading your file, removing it from Drive, and then uploading it again. It's quick, reliable, and great when you want the file to appear as newly added in a folder. First, sign into Google Drive in your web browser and navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to refresh. Make sure you're looking at the correct file, especially if there are multiple versions with similar names. Next, download the file to your computer. Click the file to select it, or open the preview, and then choose the download icon at the top center. Your browser will save a copy locally. If you're prompted for a location, pick an easy-to-find folder like Downloads or Desktop so you won't lose track of it. Take a moment to double-check the download in your file manager. Confirm the file is present and opens normally. This quick verification prevents surprises later and ensures you have an intact copy before removing anything from Drive. Back in Google Drive, select the same file and open the More Actions menu, the three dots on the right of the selected item. Choose Move to Trash. This removes the original from the folder, so your re-upload will be treated as a new file with a new upload date. If the file was shared, remember that you're removing the original. The re-uploaded version will have a different link and may need sharing updated afterward. Now re-upload the file you just downloaded. Click New in the upper left corner, choose File Upload, and navigate to the copy you verified earlier. Double-click the file to start the upload. Watch for the upload confirmation in the bottom corner of the screen so you know it's complete. Once the upload finishes, the file will appear in the folder with an updated upload date. You can select the file and open its details pane to confirm the timestamp reflects today's date. Keep in mind this method updates the upload date in Drive. It doesn't change the file's internal creation metadata or last modified data stored inside the file itself. Also note that Google Drive treats the re-upload as a new item. So if you had any automations, shortcuts, or shared links pointing to the old file, you may want to update those now. And that's it. Download, verify, delete in Drive, and re-upload. Your file now shows a fresh upload date.